Hi Draw So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Christmas Pompompurin. So let's get started. To draw this cute dog, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So we're going to come right here and start with a circle. And then I'm going to come across a little bit wider, say about this much, and draw another circle. There. Now my two circles in, I'm going to come up to the top right here in this corner and draw another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. Same thing over here. There. So now my two eyes in, let's go ahead and draw the nose. So right in between the eyes, about right here in the center, I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight little line and then connect it with two angles to create this little triangular nose. And let me fix my circle. Okay, so then from there, let's go straight down the center, a straight line, and then we're going to curve out. So let's come down and curve up for this side and cap it off. And the same thing on this side, but it's a little bit higher, and up once again and cap it off. There. And then we're going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. Aw, so cute, right? Then from there, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to say, come to the top of my eye. I'm going to come out nice and wide, say about right here. Give myself a point. Same thing on the other side, just so I can see where I'm going. And then from there, I'm going to draw a curve coming down to about where the mouth is. Approximately. Just draw a curve. We're going to start to frame the face. There. Then from there, let's bring this up a little bit more towards the brow area. Bring it in. And then we're going to come, let's see, well, actually, you know what? Let's finish the bottom. So now that we're at the mouth area, let's bring it down a tiny bit more past the mouth. Just drawing this curve to about right there, past the mouth a little bit. And then we're going to draw another curve, but this time it's going to be a little bit bigger and wider. So we're just continuing. Now this is the body part on both sides. There. And let's bring it down a little bit more. And then let's go ahead and now we can go back to the top. So on the top right here, we're on the head, we're going to draw a Santa hat. So I'm going to come to the top about right here on top of this point and say about right here. I'm just going to give myself some space, and about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this very shallow curved line right on top. And then I'm going to round it off. So I just want to make sure this line is past this because it's right on the head, and then we can go up. So this is the rim, the white part of our Santa hat. And then we're going to go ahead and connect it. So nice and thick. There. Then from there, we can go ahead and draw the ears. So I'm going to come back to about right here, and I'm just going to draw a slight angle line down, and I'm going to round it all the way off and bring it back to about right here. So let's go ahead and draw these floppy ears. It's going to come out much thicker about right here, round it off, and just bring it right back in. It's kind of like a cinema roll, right? But just shorter. So same thing over here. We're going to come down but right here. Curve, and then we're going to bring it down. So I'm just going to drag a point across, just so I know that I'm going back to about the same place on the other side. So my goal is just to try to make it about the same as the other side. So drag this across right here, just approximate. There. Okay, a little bit smaller, but it's okay. You always come back and adjust it. If you see, maybe it's a little bit, needs to be a little bit fuller. There. So now I have the two little floppy ears in, well, big floppy ears. Let's go ahead and finish the Santa hat. I thought it'd be really cute to add some holly berries. So if you want to do that, I'm just going to add it on this corner right here. About right here, I'm just going to add one just to add some more color. 2 and 3 little berries, and we can add some holly leaves. Another one here. Let's just leave it at 2 then. Then let's go ahead and we're going to angle our hat. We're going to go up to say about right here, and I'm going to add a big circle for this poof ball. So the hat is a slight angle, so then about right here, and I'm going to cut it through and bring it down to the other side. Actually, I need to bring it out a little bit more. So I'm going to pop this out more. I missed my corner there. So now I'll come in here real quick and erase this line. Hopefully my white L pen doesn't work. Okay, here it comes. Sorry. Okay. It's a little bit colder now, so maybe that's why it's taking a little bit of time to warm up and come out. Okay, there. So hopefully you get the idea. It's a little messy, but hopefully you can see. I'm just trying to aim to reach to this part right here. Then from there, let's go ahead and we can draw the hands. So this little notch right here is where we're going to start. Just kind of imagine a hand coming down. So just come about right here and say here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to about here and then bring it down for some very simple hands. So same thing here, just imagine coming down, skip a little bit of space, go towards the center and draw a curve there. And then our Pompompurin here is going to be holding a heart, but you can have it holding it, have this dog holding anything you want, but I'm just going to follow the original. So about right here, I'm going to draw a star at a slant. So it's going to be this way. So about right here, we're going to go up. Nice big wide star so they can fit it all in here. So just imagine this is coming through. About right there. And then 2 more points towards the center. This is the center. Right there. So we still have to keep same angle as we draw this. Oops, this way, there. Okay, there, so we have our star in. And then you can even come in here. I think there's, oh, actually, I'll do that when I color. I think there's like a sharper star in here as well. But I don't want to muddle up with the Sharpie, and I'm just gonna add some sparkle to make it look extra bright. Thought that would be pretty cute to do. But you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it so you can see it. Just gonna draw an actually pointy star this time inside. And okay, there, I didn't hit the hand. I was getting in a little trouble there. Okay, so now that we have that in, finally, let's go ahead and about right there, we're going to come about here, and I'm just going to draw a big curve up. So this is the center, and then we're going to come down for the foot. Then let's bring it in to about right here, and same thing here. So this is our center, about right here. Go up and down. So just want to make sure about right there. Curve and then connect with a nice soft curve for the bottom all the way across. There. And let's see if I'm missing anything. Whatever space you have left, just go ahead and fill that up. Bring this up a little bit higher. And I believe that is pretty much it, except I'm just going to add a little heart right here on Pompompurin's foot to make this my Just So Cute Christmas Pompompurin from Sanrio. I really hope you love how this turned out and I helped you draw fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.